This is Because He Lives in the Key of C by Gloria Gaither and William Gaither. Hope you love it. As always, stop the video right now, click on the description below, and I do have the chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. So this one I've just stripped down to the absolute simplest way to play this song. So we only have 3 chords, C, F, G. All right, so here's a C chord, C, E, G. Then we have an F chord, F, A, C. Then we have a G chord, G, B, D. Okay, review. We have a C, F, and G. Okay, left hand is going to play single notes. So you're going to play C note here when you play a right hand chord. F to F in the bass, and G to G in the bass. Very simple. The rhythm that we're going to do to bring the 2 hands together is just a really simple 1-to-2 ratio, or like this. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Practice that. You can just go on the C chord, C, together, right, together, right, together, right. F chord, together, right, together, right, together, right, and so on. Here's a G chord. Okay, let's add some vocals in verse 1 and you'll see what I mean. God sent His Son. They called Him, F chord, Jesus. He came to love, C chord. Heal and for G. He bled and C chord. To buy my pardon, F chord there. An empty C is there to G, my Savior lives. C chord there at the end. Okay, just notice that's that nice marching rhythm. Together, right, together, right. Verse 2 and verse 3 are going to be the exact same as verse 1. The chorus is going to just be pretty similar as well. Because He lives, I can face tomorrow, F chord. Because He sees, all fear is G. Because I know He holds the future, F chord, and life is C, G, C. Okay, this one's actually really simple. I think you can do it. I'm going to play it beginning to end. As always, just go back to the beginning if you need a little help. God sent His Son. They called Him Jesus. He came to love, heal and forgive. He bled and died to buy my pardon. An empty grave is there to prove my Savior joy he gives, but greater still, the calm assurance this child can face uncertain days because Christ lives. And then one day I'll cross that river, I'll fight life's fight, no war with pain. And then as death gives way to victory, I'll see the lights of glory, and I'll know he reigns. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, all fear is gone. Because I know he holds a future, and life is worth the living just because he lives. And life is worth the living just because he lives. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow.